Hello. Papunta kami sa dagat na frozen. Manood kami dun. Ilabas ko yung pamilya ko para. Kasi Saturday pa lang ngayon. Hi. So today is Saturday here in Finland. And the temperature is -6. And it feels like maybe 10. In short, it's cold. Yes, last week and this week will be a cold weather. Music. La, la, la. Come here.
Okay.
Ay, yung bagong I don't know. So pag yung dagat, yung city of Helsinki, city of Finland, Helsinki. Hey, where are you going again? So nag-start na siyang mag-frozen. Yung tubig sa dagat, tingnan niyo. Yan siya Andun Hindi pa masyado pero pag minus 20 na siya. Yone! Lupita! Yan yung city. Yung malaking boat na papuntang Sweden. May Viking Line din at saka ibang big boat. It's cold. I really don't know enough. I wish I know. We can find out, but I don't know how.
Oh, I think that's what we're doing.
Yeah, I think he's gonna go swim. I don't know. I think.
Yeah, yes.
You see? He's gonna go swim, Daddy. She's gonna go swim?
No.
Okay. Think mag-swimming siya. Tingnan mo. Mag-swimming siya.
Wait, how did he survive?
Oh, yun. Nag-swimming siya. Sa malamig. Oh my God. I can't do that. Can you do that, Yese? Ang tibay ni ate, oh. Nag-swimming siya sa Ang tibay ni ate. Oh my God. Buhay pa naman siya. Aha. Yun yun, nag-ice na siya. Wait, anak. What do you want?
Can I have canoe?
Wait. Be very careful, Yase, okay? Gusto niya umakyat dyan. At madulas. So that's the way. Para makababa. Yun. Butas na.
Thank you for watching.
That's it for today. See you on our next vlog. Bye.
Suosikkijasi osoitteessa radiogaala.fi. Osallistujien kesken arvotaan autokesäksi.
Arvutan.
Radion juhlavuodessa tiennäyttely.
Wow.